Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Asterisk Solution. So this series on HDFS commands, we are going to understand how to come out of safe mode if your machine sometime goes into it. We'll try to do something and it will say HDFS is in safe mode. So obviously right now my machine is not in safe mode, but I'll show you command how to come out of it. First thing first, safe mode is the maintenance mode of name node. At that time, your whole cluster becomes read only. So any attempt to write a new file, make a new directory will always give you errors that your Hadoop or your MapReduce is in safe mode and you need to come out of that. So turn off your safe mode. The command is Hadoop DFS Admin, and then you have to say hyphen safe mode space leave. So the command goes, I'll try to run the command Hadoop DFS admin hyphen safe mode hyphen leave, and it is trying to execute my command. Eventually my safe mode is off, but if your safe mode is on, this command will take you out of safe mode. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this might have helped you, because you get a lot of time you get this error. If you have benefited from this, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.